A 21-year-old Wichita Falls man sentenced to 40 years in prison for an assault with a toilet tank lid. William Muirhead was sentenced today in 78th District Court. In 2017, he was charged with breaking into an elderly man's home on Indian Heights. Officers say they found a man bleeding profusely from wounds on his head with multiple broken teeth. They say the victim pointed across the room to Muirhead, who was lying on the floor screaming nonsense. The resident said that he called 911 after he heard glass breaking downstairs. He said while he was on the phone, Muirhead came upstairs and began hitting him with his fist, then grabbed the lid of the toilet tank and hit him over the head with it repeatedly. In 2018, Muirhead was arrested and was accused of beating and robbing a man at Lake Wichita Park because the man was allegedly trying to have sex with an underage girl.